Hey guys, I'm working on a project right now and I thought I'd show you guys how to change the PCV valve on a 2011 Dodge Ram with the 5.7 liter Hemi. It's actually pretty easy to get to. Basically you're going to want to start with taking the engine cover off the top of your engine. I've got to take a little bit down a little further because I was working on my throttle body, so I've got the intake hose out of my way. I've got the engine cover out of the way. But basically, once you get to this point, you're going to see right here on the top of the manifold, there's a small, this part right here, it twists off by hand, and that's where the PCV valve is, this right here. My truck has about 138,000 miles on it, and this has never been changed. So, recommend not going that long. They recommend it change about every 40,000 miles actually. And since it's right on top, it's actually pretty easy to get to. And that thing is pretty dirty, so I'm not sure if it works. But about $19, you can get one from AutoZone and replace it real simple, just like that. So let's get the new part. Okay, so I have the new PCV valve and picked this up at AutoZone for about, like I said, $19. And this one, you can tell the valve is flowing nice, is moving nice and easy in there. I think my other one was pretty sluggish and kind of stuck, so it wasn't operating very well. This one has brand new O-rings. All right, so let's put this back in place. Just basically do the same things you did to take out the old one. One thing I wanted to remind you is it does have, it's kind of threaded, so you'll just line it up, and then as you twist it, it'll screw into place on its own. All right, just like that, PCV valve is installed.